Hello everyone, welcome back to the Techlog YouTube channel. Today for this video of Techlog, I will be showing you how to add music in Facebook profile. Now to do this, you need to open the Facebook application first. Tap open the Facebook application. Once you open the Facebook application, you need to tap on your profile icon, tap that. In the profile page, you scroll down and you will have the option of music at the options. Tap that music. Here you tap on plus icon on top. Now here you will be able to select the song that you want to have in your profile. From all the songs, you just choose a song and that will be added. Now if you go back, you will have the list of songs, and if you refresh it, you can see the songs will be added in here. Now to add this to your profile, all you need to do is tap on the dotted line beside it and you will have the option of pin to profile. You just tap that. With that will be added to your Facebook profile. Similarly, if you want to add few more, just tap on the dotted and tap on pin to profile. So this is how you can add music in Facebook profile. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Techlog YouTube channel. Thank you.